And we are presenting on a drug called amphetamine. So amphetamine is widely acknowledged as a synthetic stimulant drug that has effect on the brain. It was first identified as a chemical by 𝐆𝐫𝐨𝐮𝐩 in 1887. Although 𝐆𝐫𝐨𝐻 wrote a lot about amphetamine, he never found out about its physiological activities. In 1929, Golden Islands, a California biochemist, took note of the effect of the amphetamine upon his research on finding a low-cost and effective drug to replace amphetamine. In 1933, Alan contacted Smith, Lin, and the French pharmaceutical company who assisted in unveiling of the decongestants and started selling it as an inhaler under the brand name 𝐀𝐦𝐩𝐡𝐞 in 1934.
Amphetamine is a psychoactive stimulant from the methyl 𝐁𝐴𝐈MINE group with a chemical formula C9H13N. This compound exists as two enantiomers, which are the R and S amphetamine. The alpha metal on the amphetamine molecule prevents oxidation of the imine group by monoamine oxidase enzyme, which is known as the MOA enzyme, and increases the ability to cross cellular membranes that is enabled by the aliphatic nature. Chemically, amphetamine are weight-based drug with relatively lower molecular weight. Its structure allows substitution at the aromatic ring.
The mechanism of amphetamine. When amphetamine is taken into the body, it directly penetrates into the presynaptic terminal, which is taken into the body by the membrane transporter for dopamine and norepinephrine, according to a specific neuron type considered. Once inside the presynaptic terminal, the amphetamine is pumped into the intracellular vesicle by the vesicular transporter. Thereafter, the amphetamine displaces a monoamine from the vesicle, causing a dramatic increase in their cytoplasmic concentration. This intends to promote a massive outflow of the monoamine through the membrane transporter, leading to an increase in the monoamine tricellular concentration, which eventually binds to the postsynaptic receptor, hence a pharmacological effect of the amphetamine.
Concerning the toxicity and safety of amphetamine. Although amphetamine may have some medicinal properties, but overuse of it may cause severe damage to our health. Common signs and symptoms of acute amphetamine intoxication are psychosis, hypertension, agitation, hyperthermia, and others. The presentation of this can be highly variable depending on the amphetamine analog used as well as the simultaneous use of other substances. Dextroamphetamine and methamphetamine have a high affinity for the dopamine transporter, and intoxication can cause psychiatric disturbances resembling an acute psychotic break. And with the safetiness of amphetamine, when it's used under prescription by a doctor, that is when we are safe in terms of our health.
So in all, amphetamine and dextroamphetamine combination is used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and increase attention and decrease restlessness in patients. Whereas therapy remains the most effective treatment, reducing drug use and improving health and social well-being could be more realistic and beneficial for many people. Thank you.